Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 27th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I've been looking at this as possibly a wave B, and if it does end a wave B, then it would start a downtrend that would likely last probably about 3 months, probably about the same size as this big downtrend over here for the wave A. Now the whole thing is there's no proof whatsoever that this wave B is over yet, and it possibly could keep going up to the 123.6 above the 180 area. The only thing that's really going to turn me bearish is seeing a breaker structure on the daily time frame, and the breaker structure for me is right here. Otherwise, even if it does go down, I would be looking at that as possibly just a pullback within an uptrend and possibly just another opportunity to go long. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, for now I just got my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up. It could possibly make a bigger pullback, but for me personally, I'm definitely still looking for three-way pullbacks. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces and golfing moves to the upside to go long. There's no reason on the daily time frame to think that we should do anything besides look for longs. There's no reason to think that anything we see to the downside is nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.